Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Google One Premium subscription, and that billing is current because features unlock only with an active plan. Once done, sign into the Google One app or One. Google.com with the account you'll use. This ensures the AI profile links correctly. Next, navigate settings and enable AI features, toggle suggestions, image tools, and docs access so the services can read and assist. Doing this first saves time later when you run prompts or request advanced outputs. Now you configure the middle-level controls that determine how helpful the AI will be. Grant Drive and Docs permissions selectively so the assistant can pull relevant context. This improves accuracy without oversharing. Then set language, voice, and data retention preferences to match privacy and workflow needs. These choices affect response style and storage. Also, install the Chrome extension or mobile widgets for one-click prompts. These steps make everyday interactions faster and ensure the AI use. Finish by adopting workflows that keep you efficient. Use templates, prompt history, and priority access to reduce repetition and speed up complex tasks. When the AI completes work, export to Docs or Drive and check formatting before sharing. This prevents small errors from propagating. If results are consistently off, revoke document permissions, adjust prompts to be more explicit, and clear app cache or sign out and back in. That sequence usually resolves mismatches and restores expected behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.